Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Security Enhanced Linux, SELinux, adds policy-based security to the CentOS Linux kernel. System administrators set SELinux policy rules to specify access controls to processes, users, and files. By default, SELinux denies access to objects if no policy rule explicitly allows access. Perform these steps as a sudo-enabled user, or root. This guide has been tested on CentOS 6, CentOS 7, CentOS 8. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. Prerequisites: a VPS or server running CentOS and full root access. SELinux operates in one of three modes. Enforcing: SELinux controls access through policy rules. Permissive: SELinux only logs actions that would have been denied. Disabled: SELinux is disabled and does not create logs. We recommend using SELinux in permissive mode. If your application is not compatible with SELinux, you may need to disable it completely. Check the status of SELinux. Find the lines relevant to this tutorial with grep. To temporarily disable SELinux, use setenforce. Notice that the current mode is now permissive. This change will only persist until the next reboot. To disable SELinux and make it persist across reboots, edit /etc/SELinux/config. Change the SELinux directive with either permissive or disabled. Save and exit the file, then reboot. After the reboot, check the status. By following this video, you should be able to check SELinux status and disable the service on CentOS. Be cautious when permanently disabling SELinux. In general, the advised option is to switch to permissive mode.